Hello everybody, my name is Logan. Welcome back to my channel and happy St. Patrick's Day. So, to start off this video, I got a little treat for y'all. And that involves my truck. And if you saw my pictures on my YouTube short, you probably noticed I put a cattle rack on my pickup truck. Look forward to that. So we're going to be talking about that all day today. So it started off Sunday, like I wasn't here, but I was way over there, like 45 minutes away from my nan and grandpa's. So that's what I've been doing. It took us forever, and I mean it took us like maybe over an hour. We're trying to put that thing together. Like, shoot, I thought it was gonna be easy, but it took us over an hour. So that's the story to that. But anyway, let me pause this and I will catch you back when we are back to the house. Hold on just a minute. Alright guys, I'm back. So let's kick off this video by saying hello, saying it's gonna be a kickstart off this video by saying something about trucks. Well, if you got a truck that's like 5 feet tall, that's quite smaller than that one out there. Well, that truck is like 6 feet tall, and my truck is like 5 feet, but that truck out there does not have what my truck has. My truck has a V8 engine, heavy duty engine, and that truck out there has about the same engine, but it's not a heavy duty engine. It's just a regular engine. But anyway, if you got a truck that's a Chevrolet Cheyenne that's heavy duty, and if you're looking for something to put on that long bed, choose a Cadillac. It is a great farm truck for moving cows from point A to point B. That's all this you need to know, guys. Like, I'm about to show y'all something thing that y'all might be interested in. Hang on one second. Alright guys, we're back. So, this is my channel, so as you guys can see, we'll start off with this one. So yeah, that truck, my 94, has a Cadillac on it.
The new chicken and cheddar.
And this is what it looks like when I put it together. Like, it's really great condition. Like, I don't have any complaints in the world over it. Like, okay, this is what it looks like. Oh, hang on. Okay, this is what it looks like before I put it on. I had a toolbox on it, and yeah. And then here's my father in the truck, and here's the toolbox, and here's the dump trailer behind it. Really great truck. Like, say if you wanted a truck like this is a truck that you should get. 1994 Chevrolet Cheyenne with a great heavy-duty engine. So, anyway, that's the story to that. So, let's go. Let me go back to the same picture. Alright, so we will catch you guys back in just a second. Hold on. Alright guys, we're back. So, interesting stories about the truck. One, it runs great, better than my other truck way unicorn. Two, it's got the V8 engine that has a heavy duty in it. And three, it's old. And four, it's really great for moving cattle. Better than my small pickup would ever do. So based off my Nissan Frontier could do as great as the other as my Chevrolet Cheyenne, but the battery in it is weak. Weak as a, like, it's weaker than a person with legs. So yeah, yep, it is definitely that. So what my truck does have it has a really big engine. I and if I want to fix it up next year, I would like I if I would if I want to fix it up in the future, I would definitely do that. So stay tuned for for my truck, and if you guys have any interesting things about it, leave me a hopefully leave me a link down below and see what you guys think, and we'll catch you guys back on the next video. Bye.